From our state capitol newsroom, Tennessee's near total abortion ban takes effect tomorrow. That's right after midnight. It comes after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in June, triggering the ban. Chris O'Brien spoke to people on both sides of the issue. He joins us now from the Capitol. Chris.
Alex, good evening. This has been a whirlwind 2 months for people on both sides of the aisle when it comes to this issue. Today, we heard from abortion rights groups who urged Tennessee voters to get out to the polls and vote new people into the legislature in November.
Tennessee's total abortion ban begins in just a few hours.
Abortion rights groups held a press conference on Capitol Hill today, urging voters to keep the issue in mind at the ballot in November.
Voting for progressive candidates like those behind me to help protect against a national abortion ban and donating to abortion funds to provide access to care are two important direct actions we can take in our state to fight against these bans.
On the other side, Governor Bill Lee answered some questions Monday about the looming law.
Our focus is on implementing that law. It's a hopeful day in our country, I believe, as we protect the lives of the unborn.
The law is essentially a total ban on abortion, save for one detail.
What we need to make sure is that there is an ability for a doctor to perform in the case of a dangerous maternal health situation, that exists for a doctor. And my sense and understanding from law is that does exist now.
But that exception is murky. A physician has to have affirmative defense and use good faith medical judgment to perform an abortion in emergency situations. Notably, the physician can't do the procedure for any reason relating to mental health. And if they do perform an abortion and it's ruled that the situation was not an emergency, it's a felony.
These laws create burdensome divides between the physician and the patient. Whether the General Assembly intended to do so or not, these laws will lead to fewer healthcare workers entering the primary care profession.
Tennessee is one of 14 states that have a 6-week or full ban in place. Now, there is no grace period that is going to come up with this law like the one we do currently have of 6 weeks. However, it will be legal to travel to other states to receive an abortion. Alex?